Some of the stuff that we've seen that Southwire's been doing is fantastic. Southwire is a premier line, an American company. We're serving our people in our territories in a way that is specific to the application, to the contractor, to the installer, to be able to address those issues that those guys are facing out in the field, really second to none.
Southwire has been a reliable product. It's a product that we use consistently, probably 90% of the time in the field. When we go to our vendors, Southwire ends up being our go-to.
There's never been a better time to be inside of industrial manufacturing, specifically industrial automation. At Southwire, we're excited to be here at this show where a lot of the assets and devices that are going to be connected are brought into a systematic experience, and we're proud to be right in the middle of that exciting time inside of industrial automation.